In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera on Discord. If you'd like to use scenes, overlays, or other visual effects from OBS Studio during a Discord video call, the OBS Virtual Camera feature makes it possible. Instead of using your webcam directly, Discord can use the video output from OBS Studio, allowing you to customize exactly what other people see. The setup is straightforward, and once everything is configured correctly, switching to the virtual camera only takes a few clicks. To get started, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS has finished loading, click the Start Virtual Camera button. This activates the virtual camera feature and makes it available for other applications, including Discord. Keep OBS running while you complete the rest of the setup. Next, open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. In the navigation menu on the left, scroll down until you find Voice and Video, then click on it. From there, open the Video section and scroll down until you reach the camera setting. Click the Camera drop-down menu and you should see OBS Virtual Camera listed as one of the available camera devices. Select it from the list, and Discord will begin using the video output from OBS Studio instead of your physical webcam. If everything is working correctly, you'll be able to preview the OBS scene directly inside Discord before joining a video call. If you don't see OBS Virtual Camera listed, there is another step you can take. Open the Windows Start menu and search for OBS Studio. Right-click the application and choose Open File Location. When the shortcut folder opens, right-click OBS Studio once again and select Open File Location to access the actual program folder. From there, open the OBS Studio folder, then navigate into the Data folder, followed by OBS Plugins. Inside that directory, locate the folder named Win-D Show and open it. You'll find a file called virtualcam-install. Right-click that file and choose Run as administrator. This completes the virtual camera setup so Windows can recognize it properly. After the process finishes, press any key to close the command window. The final step is to completely close Discord, making sure it is no longer running in the background. Then open Discord again, return to User Settings, select Voice and Video, and check the camera menu once more. OBS Virtual Camera should now appear as an available option, allowing you to select it and begin using your OBS scenes during Discord video calls. That's all there is to it. You can now use OBS Virtual Camera on Discord to share customized video output during meetings, streams, and conversations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,